morning, Brian Lawrence with Amy Ace Hardware here, talking about the Traeger Traveler and the Traeger Ranger grill. Great portable grills for tailgating, for camping. This first unit we're going to talk about is the Ranger. So again, super portable. Has a griddle that comes with it, has the cook grate on it. You can get a couple of steaks on here, a couple of tri-tips, whatever you're cooking. It does hold, it has quite a bit of capacity. Again, you're cooking with the hardwood, so you're cooking with pellets here. So your fuel is the hardwood fired pellets. And then over here we have the Traeger Tailgater. Traeger Tailgater, a little bit bigger grill, foldable, collapsible legs on this grill. So again, can sit on the edge of the tailgate. You can extend the legs if you're camping at the campsite to bring it up to cooking height. Great grill for, again, for portability use. Again, you're cooking with the hardwood with the Traeger grills. Another nice feature here that we carry is the power inverter. So this can actually hook up to your battery on your car. It allows you to plug in the grill here. So again, gives you that option of being at the game, hooking the grill up to your car, cooking for your friends before you go into the ball game or at the campsite. Again, just super good portable grill from Traeger Grills. So yeah, we have both of these grills in stock right now. Great for the tailgating season, the camping season, great Christmas gifts. Come in and see us at Amy Hardware or Amy's Outdoor Living.